CBW produces a lid handling system which is capable of handling plastic lids from 2- and 4-level stack molds of 48 cavities and beyond, operating at cycle times as low as 4 seconds. The lids are fed onto a vacuum belt in single file, which assures that they are properly registered on this flat surface. They are conveyed to the sensing point, where a photocell, positioned below the flow of lids, senses which way the lids are oriented, panel up or panel down. The photocell actuates a valve, which causes an air jet to flip disoriented lids as required. Stop action shows this taking place because it happens too fast for the eye to pick it up at normal operating speeds. This is the primary reason for the success of the CBW lid system for high-speed molding, because not only is the speed of orientation that you see here very critical to the reliability of the unit, but there is no mechanical contact with the hot lids as they pass through this process, and therefore deformation or warping of the lids, common with competitive approaches, is avoided completely. The lids are then fed on this incline vacuum conveyor through an alignment section, and from there to the drop chute area where they are fed to the spin bars. The lids are kept under vacuum control until they are released to the spinning bars, minimizing the tendency for lids to fall into the stainless steel catch tray. We have 2 storage lanes on the standard lid stacker, making it easy for one packer inspector to handle the output of molds up to 24 cavity size. For today's high-capacity molds and in plants where the maximum labor savings is the objective, the 2-lane storage system can be improved upon. The improvement is the LI-250 lid inventory system. Designed to provide up to 15 minutes of unattended storage time, it allows one packer to handle the output of more than one lid line, thereby cutting the labor costs in half, or maybe even better. The system stacks oriented lids on spin bars as already described. When the stack required is reached, the photocell triggers the stack separator, a rod mounted on a rotary actuator, to swing down and separate the counted stacks. The unit is designed to produce up to 3 equal stacks, and when the 3rd stack is formed, the separator holds back oncoming lids while the pusher bar transfers the stacks to the carousel accumulator. The accumulator eventually delivers the stacks to the exit spin bars, where the packer can now load them into the box without the need to wait for stacks to accumulate. As the packer lifts the last stack from the spin bars, a photocell triggers the next 3 stacks to be deposited, ready to continue packing. Since the packer can put counted stacks into the box much faster than they are being molded, this person can gradually empty the filled carousel, then leave it to build up again while he or she packs from another system. This is the basis for the labor-saving capabilities of this unit, which can also be applied to lid printing lines with a similar potential for labor reduction.